Salam everyone, Ramadan Kareem. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Lena. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you're not already. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you my 3 healthy Ramadan dessert ideas. These are just guilt-free desserts that I like eating all year round, and I think it's perfect for Ramadan. At the end of the day, when you have a sweet tooth after dinner, these are really good, like healthy treats that will get you through Ramadan and not make you feel too guilty. Hope that you guys enjoy my healthy recipes, and let's get started. My first idea for you are date energy balls, and these are super easy because they are no bake and they take like 10 minutes to make. First, you take your dates, I'll put all the measurements below, and you put them in either a food processor or a blender, and you blend them up until they become a date paste. Then I add oats, chocolate chips, flaxseed powder, and coconut flakes and peanut butter. All of this mixed together tastes like the most delicious peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough, and it's so good. So I just mix all of that together. If I need to add a little bit more like liquid, I will add some melted coconut oil until I get that desired consistency where it's really good and workable to form into little balls. I will dip them in some coconut flakes on the outside, and I just like the way that it looks, and it also gives a little bit more coconutty flavor. So these are super good to have as treats after iftar. My second idea for you are almond butter brownies. These brownies are gluten-free, dairy-free, and they're basically just made out of almond butter, so they're super filling and really good. So you start out first with a full jar of smooth almond butter. Then you add a full cup of honey. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's really perfect. Then I add cocoa powder and 2 eggs. Then I add baking soda, salt, chocolate chips, and vanilla, and I mix that all together. I'm just using a fork to mix it together, but you can use a mixer if you have one. Then I spray my pan with some coconut oil, and I spread it all out evenly in the pan. Then I bake the brownies at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. You want to be super careful not to overcook these brownies. Remember that after you get them out, they will firm up when they cool, and they will cook a little bit more in the pan after you get them out. This last idea is super delicious, you guys. This is called nice cream, and we call it nice cream because it is basically like a healthy version of ice cream. My favorite kind of nice cream is chocolate peanut butter banana nice cream, and the trick to this is just to add like the tiniest bit of liquid, and to be honest, I think I added too much liquid to this. I should have probably added another piece of frozen banana because it's still not as thick as it could be. Another way I love to eat ice cream is with berries and mint. It is the most delicious combination of like a berry mint sorbet. It's so good. I'm just adding a little bit of almond milk, and then since I added, again, too much almond milk, I'm adding a banana to kind of thicken it up. Honestly, just use the liquid super sparingly and try to make it as much of the frozen fruit as possible, and it's just the most delicious, refreshing treat for after iftar. Let me know if you guys ever make any of my recipes and tag me on Instagram at @WithLoveLena. I love when you guys do that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!